but this was recorded at Warner Brothers Studios, and a lot of people like me are loving it. I mean, oh my god, the Blue Beetle theme! Like, I'm super excited for the movie, and this theme is incredible. It's a mix of Creed, Into the Spider-Verse, Miles Morales, the game. It's incredible. It's awesome. So it could not be the Blue Beetle theme. Like, it was not outright confirmed that this is Blue Beetle. It could be Aquaman. It could be the Flash theme, but I think it's Blue Beetle. It sounds something like something a Blue Beetle theme would sound like. So that was the theme. I love it. I heard it last night. I couldn't stop bopping my head because it's so epic. It's so awesome. It's uplifting. It's heroic. It has that hip hop, mix in there. It sounds reminiscent of Into the Spider-Verse and Creed. I love it. I love it.